Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can message someone on Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your Tinder app on your phone and simply cross this out first, and now go ahead, go to this section, and now you will check out the profiles, right? You can simply choose to swipe them left or right according to your preference. Once you have done that, if you go to this chat section, currently we don't have any because we don't have the match yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply swipe them to my right, so if to see if I have the potential match, and there we go. Now I can simply type in a text, tap on send. I'm gonna go to my chat section, and there that person's profile is right over there. I'm going to tap on that person and I will be able to chat with them and have a conversation accordingly. So that is a simple way for you to text. You have to make sure that you must have a match with each other, otherwise you can't. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.